Is the UPDATEIFCOPY flag ever true? I'm trying to deeper understand numpy arrays, in particular memory layout, ownership, sharing related aspects. In that endeavor I stumbled across the UPDATEIFCOPY flag, which sounds intriguing. Only I've never actually seen it set. The user can only unset it. And googling UPDATEIFCOPY true is very relaxing if you like it quiet. So how can I create an array with that flag set at true?
You can set if when you use np.niter, example taken from numpy source code. However, I don't know under what circumstances this is really set, because if I remove the first two lines then it doesn't work anymore.
The UPDATEIFCOPY flag may never be set to true. Update. If an array does not own its own memory, then the base attribute returns the object whose memory this array is referencing. The returned object may not be the original allocator of the memory, but may be borrowing it from still another object. If this array does own its own memory, then none is returned unless the UPDATEIFCOPY flag is true, in which case self.base is the array that will be updated when self is deleted. UPDATEIFCOPY gets set automatically for an array that is created as a behaved copy of a general array. The intent is for the misaligned array to get any changes that occur to the copy.